This is new BlackBerry Classic launched today. If we'll talk about the build quality is amazingly good. Uh, there's stainless steel frame structure which gives strength and durability to the phone. If we see the back is dotted with signature icon of BlackBerry over here. If we see the display, the glass is very good, which is Gorilla Glass Corning 3, and it gives scratch resistant glass quality. If we talk about the camera is 8 megapixel rear camera and 2 megapixel front camera. If we talk about this band is the fusion of BlackBerry 10 with BlackBerry 9900. If we talk about what we can do with this band, okay, like BlackBerry legacy device, we can go into settings straight away from there. We can come back as state. Let's open some application. Okay, so we can toggle. We can go into some application like BlackBerry Hub. We can scroll down through trackpad. We can go into this and a step back always when we push the back button. If we talk about the specification of this phone, it does have 1.5 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon processor with 2 GB RAM, 16 GB on-device memory, expandable till 128 GB, and we can attach directly the pen drive, means USB on the go feature is also there. It does have BlackBerry 10.3.1 OS, which is coming with this phone only right now. We do have BlackBerry Blend, through which we can have the core BlackBerry experience on bigger screen like laptops, tabs, etc. We do have BlackBerry Assistance, with which we can easily use voice assistant like this. We can press this and we can search and act according to this. It will search for stuff. The battery of this phone is amazingly good, 2515 mAh battery, which gives 22 hours of mixed usage time, and this is non-removable. It comes with BlackBerry World, from where we can download applications, a lot of applications which we can download through this, and it comes with Amazon App Store, from where we can download Android APKs, Android applications. Like BlackBerry Legacy keyboard, this does have 35 buttons on the keyboard, which gives very smooth typing experience. It's 4 times faster than any virtual keyboard. If we talk about the navigation key, this navigation key gives a smooth toggle between one screen to another application, so we can use the entire phone with the help of the buttons and navigation key belt. We don't need to go and touch the display. This is 4G LTE ready device in India, and it will support when the services would be available. We would be able to buy it today itself from the BlackBerry exclusive store. With online, we do have a very good offers with Snapdeal, and you can buy it for 31,990. Thank you.
For latest news and reviews of gadget and games, visit www.techmagnifier.com.